Hey guys, coming to you with a video on a coin that you may not have heard about, but that has a profitable, predictable, and boring range of this. Here's what you can expect this one to do for you. Probably a 170% increase. Uh, by the way, I noticed some comments recently of people who are trading cryptos and they're looking forward to 10% moves and 20% moves are really satisfying for them. If that's you, if you've been in that world, these numbers that I'm showing you might seem ridiculous. They might seem unbelievable even. But this, if you study any of these charts, you'll see that that's what these coins have done over and over and over again. And if you're watching this video and you're investing in cryptocurrency right now, you are so lucky, so good to be doing this right now at this point when it's really on the cusp of blowing up. This is one of those things that gives you and I and everybody else who's living right now an opportunity to really make a great future for ourselves, for our families, and have a great fun doing it. Anyway, enough philosophizing. Here's what is going on. You see this bottom line here? Okay, this is called Populus. This coin has great long-term appeal to people that I respect in this industry. However, the thing that I'm looking at is what is the price action and what can you expect to get on a return for your investment? Well, you can see this thing has just been going down. Just as BTC has been going down, this has been following suit. Now check this out. This bottom right here, I put here a couple of days ago when it was probably like this candle here. And you might say, well, how did I know that that was going to be the bottom? I didn't. It's just probability. And that's what all of these technical analyses are, right? You just use some geometry, some math, and put the probabilities in your favor. And when you do it well, then you can be very profitable with it. So what I could see here was that this was a divergence. You can see here these two trend lines, a convergence rather, these two trend lines coming together. And what does that say? Well, what that says is that this has got some market structure, right? Like it's working this range. You can see it like this. It's like this from here all the way to the top, and then it comes down to the bottom. And guess what it does then? It goes back to the top. Now, of course, none of this is guaranteed, right? I mean, this thing could blow up and go to nothing tomorrow. But the likelihood is that now that they've hit the bottom, they're going to turn and head towards the top and at least get back up here. And if they break the top here, then they've got some real targets up there that we can talk about later. The point here is that if you want to put your money in, by the way, this is not financial advice. I shouldn't say it that way. If you are interested in following some coins and seeing their price action, seeing what their potential is, then this is a good one to watch. You can see it's already done it, right? You can see that we can do this here. It's a cool little function. And this will show you it took 23 days, so about 24 days to do almost a 200% move. So what that means is, like if you put in $1,000, you would have gotten out $3,000, which is, I think that's right. Yeah, because 100% would make you 2,000, and then another 100%, that would make you 3,000. Big numbers, big numbers. So if you're looking for something like that, this is a good one to check out. There's some other videos that I've done that have percentages much higher, believe it or not. And this is all based on technical analysis, the Fibonacci sequences, which are what all of these coins are following, which is great news. The point here is there's a great opportunity that you're facing that is being delivered to you. Find out everything you can about it so that until the point where you feel confident enough to be involved in it. When you are there, well, when you see the opportunity, you'll be there. Okay, I'm starting to ramble, so I'm going to get going later.